welcome back to my channel. This is my third video for vectors, and today we're going to continue the question I gave on my last video. So the first question is, this is the regular hexagon A, B, C, D, E, F, and the center of the hexagon is O, and vector OA is A and vector OB is B. The first part of the question, to find the vector A to B. Vector A to B. So we know that how we're going to find the A to B. First we need to go A to O, then O to B. So A to O plus O to B. A to O is negative vector A because it's the opposite way, and O to B is a positive vector B. So I can just write down like this: vector B minus vector A. This is the vector A to B. Now the second part is AB are extended to K, and AB to BK is 1 to 2. So if AB 1 unit, BK is going to be 2 unit. And they say to find the CK in terms of vector A and B. Okay, how are we going to find the CK? First we need to get the rough idea how we're going to travel from C to K. So first we need to go C to B, then B to K. So we need to find vector C to B first. As this is the regular hexagon, you know vector OA is equal to vector CB. O to A is equal to C to B, because this is the size of OA is equal to size of CB, and it's going to be both same direction because we are finding for C to B. So vector O to A is equal to vector C to B. So vector C to B is vector A. Okay, now we found what is this. This is the vector A. And now we need to find what's the vector B to K. Vector B to K is 2 times of vector A to B. Vector B to K is 2 times of vector A to B. So B to K, so we know what is the AB. So it's 2 times of B minus A. So we can put 2B minus 2A. So now we know the CB and BK, so we can find easily CK. So C to K is vector C to B plus B to K, and vector C to B is equal, we know what the C to B is, vector A, and we know what is the B to K is vector 2B and 2A. So it's going to be 2B negative vector A. This is the answer. So now we can move to the second question. The OAB is a triangle, and there's a point P, it's on the line AB, and the question they gave AP to PB, the ratio AP to PB is 3 to 1. So in other words, if AP 3/4 of AB and PB is 1/4 of PB because of this ratio. Okay, now we need to find what is the vector OP. What we do, we find the vector AB first. So AB, vector A to B equal vector A to O plus O to B, and vector A to O is negative A and O to B is B. So I can write down vector B minus A. This is the vector AB. So we know vector AP is 3/4 of vector AB. So that's a 3/4 of B minus A. So I can put 3/4 of vector B minus 3/4 of vector A. So this is the vector AP. So now we can find vector OP. That's vector O to A first, then A to P. O to A is vector A plus A to P is this. So I can, this, just one vector A we can put 4/4. Now 4 minus 3 is 1, so 1/4 vector A plus 3/4 vector B. So now we can move to the third one. In this diagram, vector O to A is 3A, vector O to B is 6B, and vector B to Y is 5A minus B. And AX to XB is a ratio of 1 to 2. So AX is 1/3, XB is 2/3. We need to prove OX equal 2/5 OY. Okay. The first part, to find what is the AB. Vector AB is vector A to O plus O to B. And vector A to O is negative 3A. And vector O to B is 6B. So we can write like this. So first we need to find OX, vector O to X. So how we can go? We can go to O to A and A to X. But A to X is 1/3 of A to B. So vector A to X equal 1/3 of vector A to B. That means 1/3 of 6B minus 3A. So it gives 2B minus A. Now we can find what is the vector O to X. So O to X equal O to A plus A to X. So O to A is 3A plus A to X is 2B minus A. So that's going to be vector 2A plus vector 2B. This is vector OX. So now we need to find vector O to Y. O to Y is easy. We can go to O to B and then B to Y. So vector O to Y equal vector O to B plus B to Y. And vector O to B is 6B and B to Y is 5A minus B. So that's going to be vector 5A plus vector 5B. This is OY. And now here I can factorize OX equal 2 into vector A plus B. And here I can factorize like this. So I can get here vector A plus B is equal half of vector OX, and here I can get vector, this is OY, vector A plus B is 1/5 of vector O to Y. So in these two equations, left hand sides are equal, so the right hand side is going to be equal as well. So half vector OX equal 1/5 vector O to Y. So it gives OX equal 2/5 vector OY. This is what we need to prove. Now we can do another question. OAB is a triangle, and vector O to A is 5A and vector O to B is 3B, and OB is extended to D, and vector B to D is B, and M is the midpoint of AB, and C is the point that OC, ratio of OC to CA 4 to 1. That means OC is 4/5 and CA is 1/5. Now we need to prove CMD is the straight line. Okay, what we need to do? All right. So if they ask to prove straight line, so we know the 3 points C, M, D. So the idea is vector C to M, or M to D, or C to D.
Two of these multiple of any of vectors.
So what we need to do, we need to find CM or MD or CD. So what is the easy? First, CD is more easy. How we can find vector C to O, then O to D. So C to O, vector C to O is 4/5 vector A to O. That means A to O. Okay, just write down like this. And 4/5 vector A to O is -5A. So I can say vector C to O is -4A. Okay, vector C to O is -4A. So we can find the CD now. Vector CD equal vector C to O plus vector OD. So vector C to O is -4A plus O to D is 4B, because this is 3B plus B is vector 4B. So this is vector CD, so I can write down like this, 4B minus 4A. We can find CM, because we know C to A is 1/5 of O to A, and A to M is the half vector of A to B. So we need to find what is the vector A to B. So vector A to B equal vector A to O plus O to B. A to O is -5A and O to B is 3B. Okay, that's vector A to B. So AM is half of AB. That means half of, again put 3B plus, 3B -5A. So I can write down 3/2B minus 5 over 2a. This is vector am. So now I can find what is the cm. So vector cm equal ca plus am. Ca is 1/5 of OA, so that's 5a. And AM, I will define here 3 over 2b minus 5 over 2a. So you can cancel this 5, so it's going to be a plus 3 over 2b minus 5 over 2a. So I can put here 2 over 2, that means you can do some math, so it's going to be 3 over 2b minus 2 minus 5, so negative 3 over 2a. So that is 3 over 2b minus a. And here we can factorize vector CD. So now you can see here vector CD and vector CM have a different scalar, but the vector is same, b minus a. So we can tell vector C2m and vector C2d are multiple of
Vector b minus a.
So C, M and D are in a straight line. That's it. So now we can do a past paper question. In triangle OAB, vector O2A is 3A, vector O2B is 2B. And there's a one point P in AB. Ratio of AP to PB is 1 to 3. So AP is 1/4 of AB and PB is 3/4 of AB. And it's already been given some information that vector O to P is K into 9A plus 2B. Find the value K. So normally we need to find the vector OP, but they already been given
With the unknown coefficient.
we need to find the OP anyway, then compare with this and we can find the value of K. We find the vector A to B first. Vector A to B is equal vector AO plus OB. Vector AO is minus 3A and vector OB is 2B. So just write down like this, vector 2B minus vector 3A. We know vector A to P is equal 1/4 of vector A to B. So I'm going to write down here so that's going to be half of B minus 3 over 4 of A. Okay. So now we can find what is the vector OP. So OP is equal OA plus AP. So vector OA is 3A plus AP is here. I'm going to write the 3 as 12 over 4. So that means 12 minus 3 is 9 over 4A plus half B. But this is the answer for OP. But here OB is K to 9A plus 2B. So what we have to do, we can take the 1/4 outside from the bracket. So if I take it's 9A is left, and here 2B is left. Okay, so now we can compare these two answers. So we know K is 1/4. That's it. Okay, this is the end of the vector series. So I already made 3 videos. If you not watched my previous video, you can go and watch. And I think it helps you. If you have more questions or any doubts or anything, you can just comment me on the comment box. And I will see you another chapter another time. Thank you.